AI tools for knowledge management. Managing knowledge has always been a challenge, from scattered notes to forgotten ideas. Staying on top of your information can feel like a full-time job, but AI is changing the game. Today, there are tools that can summarize your notes, link ideas automatically, and help you retrieve information quickly. In this video, we will explore the best AI tools for knowledge management in 2026, how to use them effectively, and real examples of prompts to make your workflow smarter and faster. Let's talk about why AI is useful for knowledge management. AI brings two big advantages to knowledge management. First, it reduces the friction of reviewing and summarizing notes. You don't have to dig through hundreds of pages. AI can quickly highlight key ideas or create actionable summaries. Second, AI helps you see connections across your notes that you might miss. This is perfect for research, writing, project planning, or even half reflection. Our first tool is going to be Notion. Notion is perfect for building structured knowledge systems. You can create pages for ideas, projects, and notes and link them together. With AI built in, you can summarize content and just generate summaries or generate your next steps or even ask for key takeaways. I'll give you an overview on ClickUp and how you can set this application up. I will give you an overview on Notion and how you can set this application up. On the main dashboard, you are going to see some of your private folders or databases. You are simply going to click on a new page. This is going to give you a list of options and suggestions where you can start your meeting notes or even ask AI to just simply create a structured table or database for you. You can also click on database, and this is going to provide you with a bunch of suggestions. Like you can create a database for your documents or even your brainstorm session. Right here is the main database named as home, and this includes different files like your weekly dashboard or your tasks, your daily files and notes. You can simply open them and you can start writing in your notes. If you have messy notes like this and you just typed in the information and you later want just the key takeaways or the main key points, you can simply just ask AI. You can select the whole entire text and later just ask AI to summarize this into key points. We can give it a prompt like summarizing this topic and giving us just the important key points. This just makes it super easy, and the AI is just going to replace the entire thing for us. It saves us a lot of time, and this is super flexible. It also provided us with the concepts that were covered. We are simply going to insert this into the page. We're going to exit this window, and you can scroll down and see that everything is just present here. This is super flexible because you can just have AI generate a structure for you that you can later refine and start editing. The next tool is Reflect. Reflect is designed for personal knowledge management and reflection. It automatically links ideas and highlights recurring themes across your notes. You can ask it to show you patterns, summarize your insights, or even prompt you for reflection questions. You can simply go into your notes. You can start writing a new note, like there are daily notes that are provided. You can start brainstorming, or let's just simply write in a note right here. And I am going to ask AI to basically give us key points for this as well. Right here is the AI. We can ask it to list key takeaways just like that. And you can see it just generated key takeaways for us. And we are simply going to replace this, which was super easy. Everything was done with 3 clicks and it just saved so much time for you. So you can simply just start working on the main task that you have for today. This comes with a task folder where you can simply just type in the task that you want, like a design, a new script, and you can simply just see the data entry date or even check these out once you are done with them. You can convert this into a checklist. You can keep adding in tasks or the schedules, which is also super easy. You can also ask AI to help you, and this is super useful because it also provides you an entire map where you can see all the linked notes together. You can simply just click on this and it is going to take you to the exact note. And just like any note-taking AI tool, this also helps you link your notes together. Like right here, you can create backlinks. Usually these videos are not that helpful and get super overwhelming, so you can simply just go ahead and connect your daily notes with a backlink, which is super easy. Just like any AI note-taking tool, this also helps you create backlinks and connect your notes together. Like you go into all of your notes, and right here you can see that you can just simply go into any note and later just connect this to another note and connect your concepts in real time. Another application is Mem, and right here is a note that was organized using AI. You can ask things like show all notes related to productivity or highlight key insights from these notes. Right here you can see that everything here was done with a single click. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Like right here, we are going to create a new note. We are going to type in some of the material, and we can simply just ask it to clean this up just with a single click. This is going to clean up our entire note, which is going to be super simple. Just like that, you can see it refined the entire note. We are simply going to accept it, and the entire note was refined with a simple click. This is super fast and reliable because it saves hours of manual work. You don't have to worry about the layout or the design of your notes and how organized they are supposed to be. You can simply just ask AI to do the hard work. This is especially useful for connecting project ideas, research, or just daily reflections. Now, once you are using these AI tools, the question arises on how to use AI prompts effectively. The key to maximizing these tools is using clear prompts, keeping them very simple and direct. You don't need to use fancy words or make the prompt super complex or add too many details. The AI is not going to work and you are going to be disappointed. Some example that is going to work is that we are just simply going to select this entire text. You can just simply ask AI. Like right here in this note, we are just going to ask AI to summarize and give us the key points. Summarize this with key points. The prompt is simple and it didn't have much details. Some more examples is that you can ask AI what are the key ideas across these notes, or to generate next steps from this information, or highlight patterns or recurring themes. And just like that, this just gave us the key points that you can later just refine your note and keep it super organized. Using prompts like these turns passive note storage into actionable knowledge that you can actually use and have a smooth flow through. For a sustainable setup, here are some long-term knowledge management tips. Think about linking ideas or reviewing these notes regularly and keeping your system simple. Don't try to capture everything, focus on what matters, and you don't have to use every single tool that is available in the application or provided by these tools. You can just use the ones that help you make your work or your workspace better and more engaging. AI can summarize, surface insights, and suggest next steps, but the human perspective is still going to be crucial. The combination of structured tools and AI assistant creates a system that grows smarter over time. So just use the tools that are best for you and the one that actually complements your workflow and how you deal with your notes or how you keep your notes organized. For a sustainable setup, think about linking ideas, reviewing your notes regularly, and keeping your system simple. And that's a wrap on AI tools for knowledge management. Whether you are capturing ideas, reviewing notes, or connecting insights, tools like Notion, Reflect, and Mem make managing knowledge faster and more effective. The key is using AI to support your thinking, not to replace it entirely. It is going to act as your support and help system, not as your manager. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite knowledge management tool or prompt. Or if you have any more questions about this guide, I'll see you in the next one with more tips on building smarter systems and workflows.